Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Let's read the question first. What is the weight of a 74 kilogram astronaut, A on Earth, and then B on the moon with given G, and then on Mars with also given G, and in outer space traveling with constant velocity. Okay, we are given that the mass of the astronaut here is 74 kilogram. Okay, so we will have the weight of the astronaut that will be 74 kilogram, right? And then let's answer the question A. On Earth, and what is the gravitational acceleration on Earth? We know for sure that it will be 9.8, right? So 9.8 meter over second squared. So we can just calculate the weight here. What is the weight? Oh, this one will be M, not W. The weight is just the mass multiplied by the gravitational acceleration. Okay, so I will have 74, but then multiplied by 9.8. Okay, and then that will be, okay, let's just use a calculator for that. 74 times 9.8, and that will be 725.2. 725.2, and the unit here, because this is kilogram and meter over second squared, that will be in Newton. Good. Now let's move on here. We need to calculate the weight of the astronaut on the moon. Okay, on the moon, and we are given also the gravity on the moon. G is equal to 1.7 meter over second squared. So we will have our weight of the astronauts, which is the mass times gravity. What is the mass? 74, and this time the gravity is 1.7. Okay, and so we will have the weight of the astronaut in the moon. That will be 74 times 1.7. And that will be 125.8. 125.8, and the unit here will be in Newton. Okay, now let's do question C here. But this time on Mars. Okay, what is on Mars? We are given that the gravity there is 3.7. 3.7 meter over second squared. Okay, now again we can play the same game. So our weight, the astronaut weight, will be the mass times gravity. What is the mass? I will have 74, and the gravity here is 3.7. Okay, and let's just put that into calculator. 74 multiplied by 3.7. And that will be 273.8. So we'll have 273.8 here. And the unit here will be Newton. So we have answered question A here. And this one will be question B. And this one will be question C, the answer. But we still have one more here, in outer space traveling with constant velocity. Okay, I ran out of space. Maybe I just do it here, right? So we'll have D here. The astronaut is going with constant velocity. So what does that mean? A constant velocity. So he does not have any acceleration. Okay. But no acceleration. And no acceleration meaning that no force work on him. The net force is equal to 0. And so we also have the gravitational acceleration in outer space, because gravitational acceleration is just vertical component of the force, right? So we will have here our G here is equal to 0 meter over second squared. So from here we can also calculate the weight of the astronaut, which is 74 kilogram. But this time our G is 0 meter over second squared. Remember that the weight is just the mass times gravity. And that will be equal to 0. And the unit here will be in Newton. And this is the answer for question D. And I think we have answered all the questions here. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.